Cayenne, man. They gonna scoop. Beamed up a little bit. We finna get out here. Get out here in these streets, man. Alright. Eat that. Christmas dinner. This how the guys eat. This how the guys eat when we together, man. My wife and daughter, they gone over some of her relatives' house, man. They had brunch and stuff. Me and Scooter was still at the house, so we out riding in the OBS. Getting our munch on right now. Then we gonna get back in traffic. Might roll over Big Charlie's house, so y'all keep it locked, man. All right. Made it over here over Charlotte house, man. Over here just kicking it. Scott done pulled up. With the clean short bed, man. He gonna have to try me one day. He gonna have to face the music. He got a nice setup in here. I ain't gonna tell the man specs, but he got a nice setup in there. I'll see what he repping. Nut Bush Racing. Nut Bush Racing, man. It's a clean truck, too. It's a clean truck. It's a clean truck, man. Sunroof. Man, got the hat made and everything, man. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Nut Bush Racing.
Nut Bush Racing.
Ripping. He ripping. Finna crank it up for y'all. Sitting on them 4Gs. Sitting on them 4Gs. Oh yeah. I'll get them big fans on that thing. I told you about to face the music. You're going to line it up, man. Oh yeah, we're going to line up one day.
Oh, we will. I ain't got no oil pressure right now. I'm just playing with it, hoping it'll lock up.
Yeah. Oh, you say you hope it will lock up?
So, yeah. It's coming 2020, LS Memphis. There's going to be a whole bunch of LS shit going on.
I swear it is, man.
A whole bunch.
I swear it is. So y'all look out for that, man. I mess with them too, man. Nut Bush Racing, I mess with them guys too, man.
There's gonna be a whole bunch of LS stuff going on.
Yes, sir. And I'm out, man. That's White Boy Scott, man. Y'all be seeing this much more on my channel, man. Told you, Memphis, we got them whips, man. We got them. Gas station lights, man. Get it up under them gas station lights. bad to be born in 91, huh? See how he looking back there. See how he looking. Let's see what he talking about. Huh? Nah, it's the LS motor in there.
It is.
Yeah.
He's a work for
Mark.
That's my cousin.
Real? Yeah, I got a stage 4 Brian Sully cam in there, son. Yeah. Had the transmission rebuilt, gears and stuff in the rear end. No Terry up front. Dude named Terry, he do the work up front in that shop they in.
Yeah.
He did all my rear end work. I mean all my transmission and my rear end work. Yeah.
I got 2 of them bodies right there.
For real? Yeah, I love that joint, man. I just came from North Memphis in that joint. Well, not North Memphis, over there by Nutbush area. I just came from over there, but the joint ride good, man. Yeah.
Big foot.
Slab headed to the house, baby. Been out riding. Hold on 1 second. Share it at least one time so we can get the word out about 78Chevyboi channel, man. Do that for me. And like I always say, man, stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. 78Chevyboi, Young Scoop. We out of here, baby. Enjoy the ride.
nigga, I
It's
be
that
gripping
motherfucking
wood.
free gas, nigga.
And my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm dipping in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7, my 7, my 7.
I got that free gas.
My 7, my 7. I'm dipping in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm flossing